That one's easy. This one's gonna be a bitch. What's going on, guys? What's up? I'm Retro and welcome back to another video on Retro Vlogs. On today's video, I got a set of clips for you guys. The first set of clips is me and my dad working together on his job. He's a truck driver. He hauls cars all over the country. In this particular case, we were hauling a lexus IS 250 and we were just delivering it to a client. But let's get to me and my dad working together on the semi. And now.
Vale, veo, mandou pinga o cigarro, teléfono. Aí eu chamou, já tá com o teléfono. Uma pinga.
Oh man.
Trancamos.
Nada, viene un Honda. Oh shit. Si tú quieres, no sé.
En las 10:08.
Bueno. Ya voy. Camaro. It's a V6. It's a V6 though. All right, that's done. Keys. Right? No chains. Keys. Keys not in here. I guess my dad got him. He probably left him in the car. That shit got fucked up. Yeah, sir. Oh yeah, I don't know if he wants me to get it off now. My dad's job. My dad's job basically is he's a truck driver. He drives obviously this truck and he hauls cars around all the country. Like for example this Lexus right here and whatever. I think he's coming right now. Hold up. ¿Qué? ¿Qué pasó? No. ¿Y por qué se puso pesado? But yeah, this is what it is. We haul cars. That one's easy. This one's gonna be a bitch. I think the client has some problem with my dad or some shit. Cause yeah, IS 250. My friend wants an IS 300, like an older one. Yeah. All right.
Un poquito altanero.
Mira, like, ¿qué pasó?
Porque le dijo el carro más y dice, el lexus, no, entonces le dice a la mujer que está al lado, oye, dale un cheque, y digo, oye, cheque no. Cash. Oh, yo siempre pago, tú siempre pagarás cheque, pero nosotros hicimos un negocio para cobrarlo cash.
Yeah.
Y le hice una rebaja y todo, ¿no? se acerca eso. Oíste, yo tengo otro número aquí, lo voy a grabar bien ahí con lo que yo...
Voy a hacer eso.
Apaga esa minecilla.
Yeah.
No, y después eso me pone, coge el dinero así para y lo pone arriba del brazo de la silla, ¿no? Y dice, mira, ahí está el dinero, cuéntalo. O sea, no me lo firmaron, lo cogí y lo corté delante de él. Yo no me sé contar el dinero. Si no te pagan, si no me pagan me llevo el carro.
Exactamente, ¿verdad?
Si me pagan me llevo el carro y me lo voy a buscar en la edad porque no me, ¿verdad? Como que me trató de jugar todo al revés, para ver si yo accedía.
For this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Comment if you have any questions around job, how to truck. Tell me how you think truck looks and sounds. I think it sounds amazing. I love the sound of it. Like if you liked the video, dislike if you disliked it. You already know the drill. Subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.